can't put with a company when you find no fix it. You can't put with a company. We are human beings, you know. That's the schoolers, that's the adults, that's the passenger, taxi driver, everybody.
This government
can't
is
work.
only told we don't have a TC.
Can't work.
We do not have
Look
a
what
TC.
tax man pay a year time to government.
We
Doesn't have
a TC.
Tell that ticket them, we want back. Tell that ticket them.
We want justice.
My name is Brian Brown. I'm a taxi operator. Flying in Brownstown to Discovery Bay. Here in Discovery Bay, we are told by the police to use a piece of land which is not suitable for taxi operation. There is dust, there is mud, there is no shelter, no water, no bathroom facilities, and we are sick and tired of it. Dust is killing us, and we cannot do anything other than what the police tell us to do, or else it's tickets. And we are just sick and tired of it. So we are saying today, and we are sending a message to the relevant authorities, parish council, transport authorities. There are advancements Minister of Transport and Works. Please do something, or else we will continue until we get a solution.
justice. You're right. You're right.